Pretty exciting moment right now. We're pressure washing out the pool after spending like gobs of time of bucketing and slugging mud. There was an incredible amount of pine cones and pine needles and just mud, tons of frogs and tadpoles and all sorts of crazy things. So my buddy Shay right now, he's doing the final pressure washing. He's doing just a fantastic job, and right now this pool is looking absolutely spectacular. I mean, the thing is huge, so it's pretty exciting. So let's keep going, let's clean this thing out, and let's see what the finished product's gonna look like.